Roos. Yeah, we're from a company called Moneta, which is a software development company. Started in 2004. We've been doing consultation. We develop software with agile methods, Aaltoes being. The reason we're here today is we started to move to a product business with this Flowdock.
So basically, Flowdock is the first team collaboration tool that actually saves you time. Let's see. So we, as a software development team, are facing this problem. So information is scattered all over the place. We have instant messaging, email, different issue trackers, wikis, whatever. And information is spread all over the place. And when there's something useful in messaging or some other place, it cannot be found easily afterwards. And that's what we are solving.
Yeah, Flowdock is designed specifically for teams. So we're not trying to solve problems for necessarily everybody, but specifically from the point of view of the team. What we want to do is bring the team and the topics together in a single centralized place where you can take part in a rich discussion and then use that discussion to produce useful organized information. And here is an example of what it looks like. Of one of our components is called Influx. It brings information from different systems that you use to one place where you can talk about the topics that are important to you in one single place. Here's an example of how we used it. We have a separate ticketing system where the RSS feed comes into Flowdock, and we can talk about different things within Flowdock instead of spreading things all around. The same goes for email, and you can also bring stuff in from Twitter.
One of the key features is tagging. Here we can see that we can use hashtags like in Twitter to tag normal discussions in our instant messaging system. That may sound a bit weird, but when you think of it, we have actually found out that now it's very hard to live without being able to tag everything, because now when someone, for example, says the name of a contact of our client or something, we can tag that information and then it's always there. You can also use it to manage different lists, like when someone gives us some feedback, we can tag it in our instant messaging, and then it's always there and we can review all the feedback we've got.
Here's a couple of different ways you can actually use the tags. You can use the Twitter style of a specific UI where you can edit the tags, you can remove them and add them later on. And here's the component you can use to find the information later on when you need it.
So currently Flowdock is in private beta stage. We have some 40 companies using it right now.
We have 200 users.
Yeah, and we've been using it ourselves for a couple of months. And we are giving out invites to pretty much everyone who is interested. So just
there's a list.
Yeah.
You have to wait.
Yeah. Right. But then let's go to the Silicon Valley trip.
Yeah.
Our main motivation for the trip was basically just meeting as much interesting people as possible. The group itself was interesting as itself because we had lots of great young entrepreneurs, and in the Silicon Valley we also get to meet venture capitalists and reporters and other people who could possibly help us when we are finally rolling out the public beta launch.
got a lot of really useful feedback from all the people we met on the trip. On a personal note, I think, and what I want to tell everyone, all the entrepreneurs in Finland, is that already the impact of the ecosystem and all the, because everyone you meet there, they have something to do with entrepreneurship. And already the impact that all of that has on you alone can really motivate you and get you through, well, the darkness that we have in a few different senses here in Finland. So that's definitely important, because if you stay in a single place, the world, you start to believe that the world is what it looks like from there. You need to do the same thing to yourself, go to Silicon Valley and all these hotspots. That was, by the way, I think the best feedback that Aaltoes got from the trip, from different, all the smartest guys, I think, Mikael and Paul Graham from Y Combinator and so on. They said that you need to take all the people from Finland and get them to all these entrepreneurial hotspots and bring those people in Finland, so you can actually get a culture exchange.
Yeah, and as Morten Mikko said, you should just go global and then do patriotism on your free time afterwards. I think that was good advice.
Yeah. Well, thank you, and if you want to see a demo after Flowdock, I think most people here have seen it, but if there's someone who wants to see it, we're available, and also for questions.
I think most people are actually already using it.
Yeah. How many of you have used Flowdock?